studio. This is a special occasion. We are celebrating Mardi Gras. So please, I hope to have the playlist in my description box. There will not be dry results because this was sort of last minute, but we're going to have some fun. Few restrictions. For this pour for Mardi Gras, we were told we could use 4 colors: purple, orange, green, and gold. Now, I have 2 different purples, but other than that, I stuck to the rules. So let's get down the canvas and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, today we're going to work on an 8x10 canvas. I'm going to play with my chain. We're going to do a chain pull. The colors we're going to use, I got some crazy mixtures here. So this is my darker purple. This has Dioxazine Purple. It has deep violet. It has a few other things. It's like a kitchen sink purple. So leftovers plus a few other things added. My lighter purple, this is neon violet and some other purples and some pinks and a little white to make it a little bit paler. So that's my other purple tone. My gold is, of course, Decor Americana Decor Metallics in 24K gold. My orange is a mixture of some leftover Vermillion I had along with some Amsterdam Azo orange. And my green is Liquitex Basics in light green permanent. So those are my colors. What we're going to do is we're going to put the dark purple as our base, and then we're going to do some fun chain pulls using our other colors. I've got a big bucket of water here to clean my chain in between each, and we're going to see how this goes. There's not a hard and fast plan here, folks. We're just going to have some fun. It's Mardi Gras, party time. Have some fun. What we're going to do is we're going to go one color at a time. We're going to dip our chain. So let's start with, what color? Green. So we're going to take our green, and you know what? I'm going to scoot this over a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And we're going to take our green chain. We'll take our longer one. And we're just going to shove that chain down into the paint. I don't need the whole chain, but I'm going to shove a good bit of it down in there. And we're going to pull it up and use our fingers to sort of get some of the over excess off. Carefully lay this in our pattern down on here very carefully. I already messed it up a bit, so but don't worry if you do mess it up, because you know you're going to be pulling some more and we can fix it then. So then we're just going to pick a spot and pull. And see what happens. I think we're gonna call that done. That is fun and gorgeous. Woo! All right, hold on. I'll bring you for a close-up once I clean up the edges. Okay, here's our results. Love the lines, the blends. And I'm not sure you can see the sparkle, but that gold is very sparkly. colors are working together. All right, there we go. Happy Mardi Gras to all of you, and please check the playlist for the person who's behind me. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading more videos. Thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate your presence. Have a wonderful day.